During the lockdown enforced for the health and well-being of everyone in the fight against coronavirus, the Delhi Metro Rail Corporation took special care of the health and maintenance of all its systems like tracks, trains, OHE, signalling, lifts, escalators, AFC, display system, etc. Delhi Metro is now once again fully prepared to resume its services, ensuring full safety and well-being of its passengers. In order to ensure norms of social distancing during travel, adequate signages have been installed at stations covering customer care centers, AFC gates, ticket vending machines, and platforms, etc. The entry of passengers at metro stations will be facilitated after hand sanitization and thermal screening. Entry inside the station will be prohibited for a passenger if noticed with symptoms of fever or COVID-19. Only 2 to 3 passengers can use the lift at a time to ensure social distancing. Similarly, passengers will be required to stand on alternate steps on escalators. Places that come in physical contact with the passengers like seat, doors, buttons, escalators and handrails, etc. will be sanitized from time to time. In addition, every night, thorough sanitization of all metro stations and trains will also be carried out. Additional staff will be deployed at stations to look after the social distancing and sanitization work. Hygiene will be constantly taken care of in public toilets as well. The temperature and humidity inside the metro trains will be kept as per the prescribed standards. Gloves, mask and sanitizer will be used by metro employees while discharging their duties. Metro trains will not stop at metro stations falling in COVID containment zones. Passengers are advised to carry minimum luggage with them while traveling. During frisking, take out all the items like coins, keys, etc. from your pocket and keep them in your hand or bag and proceed for the security check. Wear mask before leaving the house as it is mandatory to wear masks at all times during the journey. Travel will be allowed only by smart card. Recharge of the smart card will be accepted through cashless or digital mode only. Follow social distancing norms at all times while in metro premises. The metro train will stop at all stations for longer time. So let the passengers get off the train first and then board the train. Keep extra time with you while traveling by the metro. Take around 15 to 30 minutes extra time for the journey to follow the new travel protocol. The Delhi Metro Rail Corporation advises everyone to travel by the metro only when it is absolutely necessary and follow all the guidelines issued by the authorities from time to time for the containment of COVID-19. With everyone's support, Corona will lose and nation will win.